Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by Sendwin.
In today's video, we're gonna learn how do we blur content across web pages using this amazing tool called Sendwin, right? So it's really easy to blur out any content. Okay, you don't even have to worry about your censorship and privacy. It's just because you can swap any content you want to using Sendwin, right? You can do it in real time, so that's the coolest part about it. So it's really easy to do so. And at first, before before blurring any content out, you must make sure that you have created already a saved session for it, right? Because it won't work unless and until you have created a saved session for any website. So you can check out various tutorials on our channel that we have posted on creating saved sessions. Alright, so I'll just open up a saved session for now. Just click on this extension icon, Sendwin extension icon, and then I'll open up my Instagram. Okay, it's a saved session that I've created using Sendwin. So my Instagram profile has loaded here. So if I want to blur the content out now, so what I can do is I can just simply right click. I will have a drop down with the name of Sendwin. Just go here and you have the option blur content. Just click on blur content and you can see you get the option, right? So I can just individually select elements, right? Okay, like I can select this this block gets blurred out. I can select this block and this gets blurred out. Okay, it's just working in blocks, right? So what if I have to blur the entire page, right? So I can just click outside and you can see the entire page has been blurred out. Okay, this is not editing. This has been made possible by just the simple tool called Sendwin, right? If I click here, you see this has been blurred out. In case I want to blur out, I'll just simply click it back again and it just gets blurred. It gets back to normal back again, right? So if I click again, you see it's here. I'll do this again. I'll have to click on here and you see it just it starts getting back to normal. If I click it gets blurred again. So that's basically how you blur out things. And if you want to clear everything up, just click on clear all. And if you want to stop this blur feature, just click here stop, and there you go. You can start browsing the website normally back again. So that's basically it, how you blur out things in any website using Sendwin. So I hope this video has helped you somewhere. In case it did, then do make sure to let us know by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do make sure to follow us on all our social handles. We love to connect with you. And in case you got any doubts, any queries, do make sure to drop them down in the comment section. We'll be very happy reading them out and solving them out for you. So this was it for today's video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then,
Take care and bye bye.